All right, guys, welcome to another live research session. This is Paul McMillan, and it's March 6, 2023. As you can see, I've already started to mark up my chart, and I already have my vertical line ready. This is what I've marked up in the 15-minute time frame so far, so now I'm in 30-minute time frame. We don't have any major news today, so that's good. So we're just going to do our normal markup and then see where we end up in the 9:30 candle closes. So we're on the 30-minute time frame. So I'm going to go ahead and mark up this area here. The ones up here. So now I'm going to go ahead and start marking up these areas here. So you see that there's a vertical line here. Well, I just put a vertical line here. And then, actually, you can see that there was a valid solid zone here. That's why price respected it multiple times. If they would have broke this level, it respected it as supply zone and then further down to this level, which made this very solid demand zone here. And then we have a solid supply zone up here. Right. So want to mark up supply demand zones and these regions. But now, this was a very strong demand zone here. This will push price up, so you're going to put that zone there. Now let's go ahead and move on to the 1 hour time frame. So when we go back, make sure that we match up everything in 1 hour. Which is like we do that. Really miss a couple of that's not too bad. So we can see what's the current prices at. So now we'll move on to the 4 hour. You see that price has really interacted with this zone here. That's when the price push all the way down here, and it looks like it's coming up against that zone again. So it might respect is at a strong supply zone in this sell here. We'll find out. So in order to find out, we're going to go back to the 15-minute time frame. Now we're going to kind of analyze price here. So now you can see that price is kind of settling here. And we can see that price really respected a demand zone like in this area. And as we push price up, so it looks like a single candle supply zone here. So I wouldn't be surprised if price respect this area a lot in the sell to try to clear all this imbalance. Break this structure, we'll swing low and get that. So it's a possibility that it could be going for a sell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually we're going to wait for the 9:15 candle to close. So that's in less than 3 minutes. Then we're going to plan our trade. We did at the 9:30 candle. We'll figure out what prices we want to bring that speed up trade. So be right back and stay tuned. All right, so the 9:15 candle has closed. Give me a second here. So I believe that there's a solid demand zone here. So price respected is same there before it pushed down. So I'm thinking that price is going to come back up here in this morning, pretty against the drop. So I'm going to go for a sell. So so if price goes up and the drop here, this much. If price drops from this area, I don't want to do this much to this point. Then ultimately get all this liquidity down. So we're at this point here. This is here to 82. To this point, 800 plus points. That's what I'm going to put for now. So that's what I'm going to go for. So we have a little bit over 12 minutes to the 9:30 candle closes. So once we get it to about 8:29, then I'll execute my trades, and then we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so we're getting close to the 9:28, close to 9:28. So what we're going to do is, before we hit the 9:30 bell, we're going to be focusing on these candles here. And another trader for and piece in here. I'm going to change this to 16.0. And that's what we're going to do. We have about another minute. So once we're ready to go, then I'll resume this recording. Be right back. So it's 9:28 now, so I'm going to execute our trades now. There we go. So now, I want to basically watch our profits. So once we hit the 9:30 candle, I'll resume this recording, and then we're going to continue to watch this candle and see what it does here. All right. We're going to give a couple minutes here, and then we're going to be done. Stay tuned. So we have less than 20 seconds before the 9:30 bell hits. Let's see what happens. The candle just hit. We're going to pay attention to this candle and see what it does. Might buy up and just see the premium maybe. Let's see what happens. We're already at 12,000, so let's let it buy up. So it bought up. And I had it closed. So I just closed both trades. The reason why I went on ahead and closed this trade is because let me go to the account history. But when you look very closely, I wish I could zoom in. We just made $23,000 on this thing. But we put the lot size at 16.00. Now, here's the thing with this account. I did a leverage of 125. So this is accurate. That be the NAS100. But looks like price was hitting some liquidity and looks like it's ready to sell. That's what it looks like it's going to be later. You switch over to the trading view. But we made $23,000 on this here, this buy. So it looks like it's going to sell. So let me switch to the other. Yeah, it looks like it's grabbing some liquidity here. It's doing that. I might go in for another sell. I just want to see a little something. So if we start selling, I might be and pauses recording. All right, price might be selling, possibly. I see this big wick here. So it might be ready to sell, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. See when it's actually ready to go that direction if it does. If it does, I'm gonna take another sell, see if I can get something out of it. So we'll see like that. Looks like it's starting to sell, so I'm gonna take another sell, see if I can get something out of this. So I think it's eventually going to sell personally. I always take a shot and see if it does. Like that. Price sold just like I thought it would. Single candle demand zone here. So yep, sold down. Let's see. So once I get into profit on this sell, then I will zoom this recording like that. Yeah, price is dropping. So I'm going to record this and let's see. It's going to drop it for a minute. They're going to drop it, loving it. Like I said, it's going to drop it. It's going to get all this liquidity up in this area and then go down. And that's what it did. One second here and pause this recording. All right, price is dropping, so I'm gonna wait until I make it down at least maybe $200 to $400 in each trade. And then I'll close it, wrap it up. And the price is really tracing all the way back. There we go. All right, then I'm going to trail this. Close the second trade here. Okay. Nice. So, I want to share my phone screen so you guys can see the results. Give me a second here. So as you can see, $421 in the first partial trade and $15.50. And that's what we did to sell. Earlier, when price bought up and we met a trade of 4, we made over $23,000. So we did pretty good trading today, but ultimately price sold like we thought it was going to sell. Figured it was going to go up and get a lot of liquidity in the supply zone and then drop down. That's what it did on this chart here on MetaTrader 4. And then of course, trading view. So it looks like it might be hitting a solid zone here as well. So it might hit that and then buy it and go up. Or it might further go down and get all this imbalance and swing low and buy it up. But we did a decent trading today. So not bad at all. We did a few things and then I'll wrap it up. That's it for this New York session. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Take care.